guys, we're going into the Haunted Mansion in Disney World. Hey.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall, and a candlelight flicker where the air is deathly still. That is the night when ghosts
Put your phone against your chest.
I'm
gonna get used to reading this.
with foolish delight.
No, okay.
Oh, what the freak? The guy turned to bone. Hi. Hey, wait, dude, you're leaving. Sorry. You're
All
with
the way in, all the way across. We have many coming in behind you.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host.
Move all the way across.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please step away from the walls. Gather tightly in the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
Now, like
And
I
let's all stay together, please.
Like I said, and I bet he doesn't want us to stay together. He wants us to split up. Yes, I would, actually, because this is very scary.